Hi guys, welcome to Java coding interview questions. In this tutorial, we'll see how to find some of the elements in an array. So in order to find the sum of an elements in an array, so what we need is, first we need an array and array with elements. Okay. In order to create an array with array elements, what we need to do is we need to have a size. Okay. First we need to create an array with the given size and elements. So for this, what we will be doing is we'll take array size from the console, we'll take array element from the console, and we'll print some of the elements. Okay. So first I'm creating a class. And I'm naming it as some array demo, and I'm writing a main method inside it. And as I told you, what is the first step? First step is we need to create an scanner object. Why we need to create a scanner object? Scanner object is used to take the inputs from the console. Create a scanner object for taking input. Scanner s equal to new scanner of system dot in. Scanner is equal to new scanner of system dot in. Scanner is equal to new scanner of system dot in. System dot in. Okay. This is used for taking the input from the console. And the next step is what? We need to know the size of an array that needs to be created. So take the number of elements. And store it. Take the number of elements and store it. Int n equal to s dot next int. Int n equal to s dot next int. Okay. And third step is what? Create an array of size n. Create an array of size n. So int array of equal to new int of n. Here we have created an array. Okay. Now what we need to do? We need to populate the values or initialize the values of this array. So how to initialize the values of this array? I'll write a sysout which will be helpful. Sysout, enter the elements in an array. Okay. Now what I need to do is I will write a for loop, because I need to populate each and every element in this array by taking the values from the command line or console. Sorry, console, not command line. For int I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, a of I equal to s dot next int. A of I equal to s dot, a is nothing but array of I. So what this will do is, first it will start with index 0, array of 0. So the first value we are given the console will be stored in array of 0, and then I will increment it and I will be 1, and the next value will be stored in array of 1. Similarly, it will repeat till all the elements in this array, and this array got populated now. Now what we need to do is we need to do the sum of the elements in an array. Now we have all the elements in an array. Now we need to do sum of the elements in an array. For that, first I will initialize the sum with 0. Okay, and then sum equal to sum plus I. So what is this sum plus I? This int I will contain each element in an array. So first element is what? Whatever the value we are given in this 0, this will come. Sum equal to sum plus 0. Sorry, sum equal to 0 plus console value. Then sum will be 10. Suppose assume that array element values are 10, 20, 30. Okay, array element values are 10, 20 and 30. Okay, then sum will be, initially sum will be 0. Sum equal to sum plus I. What is the first element? Sum plus 10. That will be 10. And after the next element 20. Okay, after that second element is 20. Sum equal to 10 plus 20, that is 30. Now sum will be 30. And third time sum index will be 2. Okay, first index will be 0 and it will get the value of 10. Second time index will be 1 and the element value is 20. Third time value will be 30. Now we will print the value of sum. Sum equal to, okay, let's run the program and see the output. Run as Java application. I don't see any. Okay, here I have to write one sysout. I forgot to write one sysout here. Enter the size of elements. Okay, now run the program. So when I enter the size of the elements, I am giving here 3. So whenever I have given here 3, this n value will be populated with value 3, and after that we are creating an array with 3 elements. Okay, and after that it will print this, enter the elements in an array. Now enter the elements in an array 10, 20, 30. So you can see the output, sum is 60. Okay, it will take all the values in the array. Okay, it will take all the values in an array. So first value is what? 10. Okay, so sum will be 0 plus 10. So sum will be initially 10. And then what is the next element? 20. Okay, sum equal to sum plus 20, that is 10 plus 20, which will become 30 in the next iteration. And what is the third iteration? Sum equal to sum plus I. So third value is, I value is 30 and sum is 30. So 30 plus 30, value is 60. So finally we are printing the value of I, that is sum, which is 60. Okay, hope you guys understand how to find the sum of elements in an array. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe to my videos.